What is up guys, done at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the account error on Facebook Ads Manager account. So first you need to head over to adsmanager.facebook.com and then you just simply need to log in with your Facebook Ads Manager account details. After that on the left side, you just simply need to hover to this bar and then click on billings and payments. And then you need to make sure that all the bills that are remaining are paid by you and the details that you have entered for the payment, like your payment details, they must be up to date. So to keep the payments up to date, you can just simply click on add payment method and then you can just simply add the card, UPI, and net banking or credit details to save a new payment method if you want to. But if you already have a payment method, just simply check it and make sure that it is up to date, and then this will solve the issue of your account not opening. Sometimes if you don't pay the bills to the Facebook on time, the account just doesn't open. So this might be the problem. Just simply pay all the bills that are remaining, and then if the bank details are left or not up to date, just make them up to date. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.